I'm Lewis Earl. I work in CAD. My job title is Design Engineer. When I left school I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, but I know that I enjoyed making things. So I looked for a few jobs around and I found one at Stage 1, actually working in the GFRP department, making fiberglass moulds, and I did that for about 9 months, and then I went off to uni and did industrial design there. Then when I finished, I worked for a tiny little design agency. So the CAD department gets involved relatively early on in the process. We'll receive initial sort of client drawings, and we'll try and take those drawings and turn them into something that can actually be built. Sometimes you'll get projects that you just think, well, I have absolutely no idea how I'm going to build this, and that's great, and it's really exciting, and that's where the sort of creativity comes from. So we did a project called Steel Wire Rope for the Science Museum. The Science Museum did an exhibition on the sun, and in their atrium they wanted a huge sculpture to sort of draw people's eye. So we worked with Sam Jacobs Studios, who came up with the concept. So we did a test build for steel wire rope, specifically to measure what would happen to this custom sash cord over time. It's a cotton product. It's not really necessarily designed for this use, with that tension in mind, but nobody really knew what would happen over time. The test build, I think, used 10 or 15 strands at 20 meters long, mounted on 2 custom frames, one at floor level, one right up in the ceiling. We tensioned each one to, I think it was about 2 tons per cord, and left it up for about 2 weeks. We designed the system to be adjustable so that we could put more tension on it after it had settled. So I really enjoy seeing the projects finished, and being out on site, that last shift where you're just doing all the last little details and going around with the client and doing the little snags, and they come out with a big smile on their face. It's absolutely brilliant.